Well, meantime, the Queen's death triggering a series of changes within the legal fraternity, a move marking the end of an era, but by the same token, heralding the reign of the new monarch, King Charles III. Fern Carey tells us more.
A notable change in formalities taking place within the legal system following the death of Queen Elizabeth II over 11 days ago at the age of 96. In the wake of Her Majesty's passing, her son, King Charles III, ascended the throne, prompting key changes to many royal symbols in the United Kingdom, including the national anthem, money, stamps, and flags. Justice literally will also be carried out in the King's name, which means that the previously held title of Queen's Counsel has been changed with immediate effect to King's Counsel. Former Attorney General Allyson Maynard-Gibson, KC, beforehand QC, says those changes are also reflected in other areas of the justice system.
In our courts, any document that says Regina, because of our interpretation in General Causes Act, that means that the masculine includes the feminine, that will not invalidate any of the proceedings that have Regina. But any new proceeding will now say Rex, which is, of course, the male, symbolizing the king.
King's Counsel is an office conferred by the Crown to be a part of His Majesty's Council for senior lawyers or solicitor advocates who are considered to be learned in the law. As the first woman in the Bahamas to be appointed a Queen's Counsel back in 2015, Maynard-Gibson reflected on the honor.
There hasn't been any proclamation issued that, as I'm aware of, making the requirement, but you will have seen the Prime Minister and others wearing the black band out of respect for the passing of Her Majesty.
A state funeral was held for the late Queen today as residents in the United Kingdom and across the world bid a final farewell to the monarch. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Fern Carey.